Good afternoon. My name is Russell Emmanuel. I'm a student at Full Sail University. I'm currently taking physics in the recording arts program. In this podcast, I will be performing the bottle organ experiment, and I'll describe each step of the way throughout the experiment. Thank you and enjoy. To get started, in this project, I will be using some crushed soda in glass bottles to demonstrate how the sound waves are different throughout each bottle. First off, sound is nothing more than just waves that are formed through vibration through the particles in the liquid of the glass. What you will know is that each container will have a different pitch. There's many reasons for it. Mostly is because the amount of liquid that's within the item will cause the pitch to be different. Mostly, the more fluid it have, the lower the pitch will be. And the less fluid it will be, the higher the pitch will be. As you can see, this one have, and this one just a little bit lower, but it's still higher. But compare, as you'll see that it shows the one with the higher amount of liquid will have the lowest pitch. But you always could change the pitch throughout it just by simply removing some of the liquid. So as for this, if I take some of the liquid, I could balance out the liquid sound with this. Before, now. Now it should sound remotely the same. Just a slight little difference, but you have to notice the pitch change throughout the sound. So really, all sound really is just vibration that have been caused because the vibration moves through the particles of the water, which give it a certain tone. So throughout this project, you will see that with all these different sounds is because of the different amount of liquid is in there. So with a different amount of liquid in them, it'll give them a different pitch, which will form a different waves to form. And these waveforms, they just travel. All they really mean is just the number of times it travels back and forth to get the sounding pitch. So as you can see, each bottle with the different value of liquid that's inside them will cause a different pitch. The reason for it, to go more in depth, because the more water that's in it, the lower amount of vibrations that is allowed to go through. And vibration is what makes basically frequency, which frequency is what we pronounce as sound and as a pitch or whatever as you may call it. Well, mostly as a pitch. And with the more liquid that's in it, it gives you the lowest pitch because it don't vibrate as much. And the lower amount of fluid that's inside, it gives you a higher pitch. So throughout any amount of water I do, or soda in this case, it will give you a different sound as much as I take out or put back. Some are greater than others, and some are just about the same, but they're different in value. So as you can see in this project, the bottle with the largest amount of liquid have the lowest pitch throughout, and the one with the lowest amount of liquid have the larger amount of pitch. So as I may show again, so this is just basically how vibration works in a glass factor. Thank you, and I hope you enjoy.